In this video, I will share with you how to create a show more button in Hostinger website builder. This is the example of the show more button. I will show you how to create in this video, and to do it, just log in first to your Hostinger account. Then click on websites and select websites list. Click on edit website button next to the website or your website built using Hostinger website builder. Just a quick tip to an easy way to differentiate between websites built using Hostinger and other ones built using WordPress. Just look to this little icon next to each website and you can differentiate between the WordPress ones and the Hostinger builder one. Now click on edit website. This is my website on Hostinger website builder. First, let's delete these ones. Let's delete. This is my website on Hostinger website builder. And first, let's create a blank space to work on. Now, all you need to do is to click on add element, scroll down to the embed code, drag and move it like that. Click on enter code, delete this one, and this is the code that we will use. Let's copy the whole code, copy and paste here. Click on embed code. As you can see, the show more button is added this way. You can make it a little bit wider or narrower. Let's duplicate. You can duplicate this element. Now let's save or let's update my website to see this show more button alive. View site. Let's see, this is the first one. As you can see, this is the hidden text. Now let's see how to edit this code to insert our text, to edit the button color, and also to delete or to show this border, black border, and also how to change the border color. This is the code. Now to change, let's first run it. As you can see, the first way that you can edit is the container. You can edit the border. You can delete the border by just selecting 2 pixels instead 0 pixels instead of 2. As you can see, the border is hidden. Let's return to the 2 pixel border. To edit the border color, just edit this black to blue, for example, and as you can see, the border turns to the blue color. The second thing that you can edit is the show more button or the learn more button. As you can see, learn more button, you can edit the button color. Let's turn it to blue. As you can see, the button turns to blue. Now to edit this first or this always shown text or part of text, this is it. It's below the section container. This is the text. Let's write, for example, welcome to. As you can see, this is welcome to, and here to edit the hidden text, this is it. Here is the additional information that was hidden before. Let's write Ben's experience. Let's see it. Welcome to Ben's experience. I will try my best to remember to attach this piece of code in this video description. If you don't find it, just let me know in the comments below. Let's copy this new design or this updated code and replace the first one. Update, and as you can see, this is my updated show more button. I forgot to mention how to edit the learn more text and also the show less text. Let's look for them. This is my code. You can, if you're trying to locate a text in this piece of code, just search using Command F on Mac or Control F on PC. Let's look for show more or show less. This is the button text content. Let's call it just plus, and for the learn more, my bad here, minus learn more. Let's look for learn more. This is the button text content, and let's replace it with just the plus sign. Where is the plus sign? This is it. Let's run it again. As you can see, let's copy this code again, edit the second code and update the website. The learn more text is still used, but after the first click it turns to plus and minus. I need to fix this. Show, there is a third show learn. I need to look for the learn. I think this is it. It's called the toggle button. This is the code. Learn more. I will use the plus sign. As you can see, now from the start it shows the plus and minus. Let's copy this code again and replace the third. As you can see, it was the plus sign was shown automatically after running the code. And this is how to change the learn more and show less text button text. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.